So hey guys, it's your boy Ace Prodigy, and I'm back again with another YouTube tutorial. Today's look is a classic slick back bun look, because when you get tired of having your hair out in an afro as it is now, or you get tired of putting it in a bun to the top, and my friends were like, oh, you need to change your look, you need to change your look. So I was like, you know what, let me try something new. So this is going to be the fourth time I actually try to do this look, and I liked how it came out the other three times or whatever. And if you're new to my channel, like, subscribe, and comment. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So here we have the stuff that I use, but I will put them in the description box below. So we started off with a freshly washed and conditioned hair. And also the music that is currently playing is my latest song. It's going to be on my EP when I drop it. I'll let you guys know. But continuing, we got some gel, a fairly good amount, and we put it all across my damp hair that's conditioned as well, as I said before. And then we're gonna get the comb. The first YT comb is not that wide, but it's wide enough. And we're gonna start to comb through my hair and detangle it, also spreading the gel evenly through my hair so we have an even consistency throughout my hair.
Forget that. Forget about my past, stepping over broken glass. I swear my ego is so vast. I'm an angel, I float past with my thoughts on a notepad. Keep moving, don't go back to the place that made you bad. I remember the kid I used to be, but I promise you, promise me no more using me. I'm a legend, lyrically and musically. This geology says I've grown beautifully. They say I'm poison like venom snake, but over time I've had to learn to give and take. I'm so sweet and sour, like lemon grapes. Now I take that lemon and make sweet lemonade. Yeah, it was hot like those summer days. Lonely nights, it was all a haze. I remember the days waking up as a kid, little sleepy head spread across the bed. There'll never be days like this again, is what my mama said. Turned out, she was right all along. Life's a show, I live verse like a verse on a song. Please don't get me wrong, it's all good when you grow into a man. You just gotta make sure you're a man with a plan, cause the world will eat you up.
And then we're gonna get a spray bottle next, because the gel wasn't spreading all the way through my hair, but if you add water to it, it loosens up and you're able to use the amount that you have in your hair currently, because you don't want gel caked up in your hair, and you don't want your pores to be full of gel because you're going to clog them up. So I grabbed the brush, the Denman brush, and I brushed my hair.
Because God made me this way. And with that being said, I walk on my own 2 feet. I paved this way. I was given a choice.
So we're going to get the rat tail comb, and we're going to do our part. Now you can either opt for a middle part, side part, slanted part, or even a zigzag part. But as we continue to watch the video, you can say I opted for a zigzag part.
Told them that I wouldn't make it without them, but look at me now, I'm moving forward without them. Goodbye, farewell, I wish you nothing but luck. I will never go back to where I was stagnant, no I mean stuck. I was a stick in the mud, but now I'm a rose in the crack. I've got a solid foundation, so cut the crap. I'll be the bigger person here, I'll never turn my back. I was once the lost prodigal son, but I found my way back. There's no time better than now to cut the slack. There's no time to rest. Never thought of myself as privileged, I'm never better than the rest. But I will be different, better than the best.
So now that we're done with the rat tail comb, we're going to get our brush again, and then we're going to start to slick it back to the back of our head. And we're going to be switching between my brush to the first comb that I had, and we're going to detangle as well, and we're going to start to slick it back again until all is to the back. As you can see for right now, I'm just trying to detangle my ends. So when I add the elastic band to the end of it, or I should say hair tie, we're going to switch back to the brush one more time and then add the elastic bands to it. So now the elastic band is actually temporary. It's just there to stay in my hair until it sets and molds and dries, because I will be switching to a hair tie when everything is molded and it is dried and we are adding the other pieces. But now I'll be taking the other brush and smoothing out the wrinkles. Well, it's not wrinkles, waves or wavy hair, and we're going to make it smoother. Here now is where I grab a scarf and we're going to fold it. I'm going to place it to the middle part of our forehead. My forehead is big as fuck. Excuse my lingo. And we're going to tie it. And it's going to be looking like a turban for a minute. I'm going to sleep with this on and wake up, take it off, and finish my hair. But I'm going to tie it into a turban, as you're going to see. So here's the turban look-ish. And I will be going to bed with this. So see you guys in the morning. So this is the morning. I woke up. My hair is all dried. So we're going to unravel the scarf and take it off, as you can see right here. So a quick little spin for y'all. And then we're going to take our little two pieces, because I need a little help and I'm not ashamed. I am not ashamed. I need a little bit of help. And we're going to use our bobby pins. And that is how it looks. This is the finished product. This video, like, subscribe, and comment on my underneath. I will leave the description below, the links to my social media. And if you have any other styles that you would like for me to do, let me know in the comment section below. Peace out.